Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Ilya Berko. I'm here at Tech Singapore with Joel at Aizee. Joel, nice to have you with us today. Can you walk us through your role at the company and maybe a little bit about your company's mission, what you're after?
Yeah, my name's Joel and I'm the co-founder and CMO here at Aizee. I mean, our mission really is to democratize the use of AI agents for businesses of all sizes. As the CMO, I also find that my role is not just about telling people about our product and services, but really educating the market in terms of the possibilities of what you can actually do with this technology. It's new for everyone. We're learning every day. Everyone's learning every day. So it's nice to kind of be on that journey and be an educator as well.
What do you focus on in the AI journey? What have you been doing? And maybe what do you expect to reshape within the industry that you're working in?
What we're seeing that really works are these synergies between sort of customer-facing sales or support teams and then using conversational AI agents. So a lot of businesses can't necessarily afford to just add a whole bunch more sales or customer support agents. But you can get the conversational agents to kind of do a lot of that first line qualification and support work, and then escalate to the human teams as and when is needed. This is really helping businesses in what can be tough economic times to streamline their businesses, get better results, and be able to do it in a cost-efficient way.
Yeah, so streamlining is quite an important part of what you're doing. That's really interesting. And in particular around Nebius, could you tell us a little bit about what you're using on Nebius, how it's been for you, and how you're finding it?
Yeah, so typically when we build our conversational agents, they're using some form of a large language learning model. They're also using some form of a text-to-speech. They're using different voices, accents, languages, and they have different skill sets as well. So when you put all of these things together, we're asking a lot of these conversational agents to do at the same time. So what we've really found is super cool is the AI studio that you guys have. And this is really helping us build our own bespoke versions of these agents. So we can come in, we can test our prompts, we can see, okay, how much of this LLM do we actually really need to have an efficient conversational agent? So we're really finding where latency is key, where response is key, where accuracy is key, that being able to test in, something like Nebius AI Studio is pretty cool. And I would have to say, it feels like we're the big boys a little bit, because we've got the NVIDIA GPUs and all this cool stuff, and we're only just a small startup. So to have something as powerful as that to use at our stage as a startup is really, really cool.
Yeah, so having those access to that technology makes sense. And in terms of what you're working on, could you share a little bit about maybe the projects that you're particularly focusing on?
So right now we're really interested in conversational web agents. And we're really interested in, again, as I said, making that super easy for customers to start. So as in super easy, just type in your website address and we'll create you your first conversational website agent. You can then customize that, put it in your colors, give it a name, give it a voice, add skills. You can do a whole bunch of things. And we're making that available to virtually anyone, like solopreneurs, small businesses, just to encourage them to get in the game, to try something, and to really see how this technology can benefit everyone, and that it doesn't just have to be for the big boys.
Makes sense. And in your AI journey, what do you think is the future for what you're working on and what's next?
I mean, again, I just really feel that the busy work is going away. What the industry is really waiting for is that quality and reliability of these agents to just continue to increase and improve. I think that's what's going to give everyone the confidence to kind of jump in. And from there, you're going to see really big business transformations. And I think to the better, where, there's a lot of things that we just don't like doing. And we just don't have to do those things.
A lot of the repetitive tasks.
Yeah, I mean, I'd rather have lunch than, write a long report. So, why not have an agent write that report? And once I finish my lunch, I'll review it. I won't just trust it. I'll go in there and take a look. But I didn't have to do the starting part, and I think we can focus our energies on finesse and detail and, up-leveling the quality of our work, and we can allow agentic solutions to, really get a head start on projects and tasks.
Well, thanks so much for sharing that with us. And thank you for hosting us. Looking forward to the future and seeing what you do.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.